What did American astronauts plant on the lunar surface? A flag of the United States. Which animal is in the picture? Gorilla. What fabled bird rose from the ashes of its nest? Phoenix. Einstein, who was it? Scientist. Which food product is in the picture? Meat. What is in the picture? Starfish. Who's known as man's best friend? Stug. What country first used cylinders containing the lethal chemical chlorine in World War I? Germany. Which organ is responsible for the sense of taste? Tongue. What other animal belongs to the horse family? Zebra. Ship of the desert is a nickname for which animal? Camel. Which kind of sport is in the picture? Table tennis.